Welcome back to Talk Point. We turn out to Texas, where the State House of Representatives has approved a new state of congressional maps for the upcoming 2024 elections. These maps, part of the decade-long district redistricting process, redraw the boundaries of the state's 38 congressional districts and are expected to influence the balance of political power. The newly approved maps maintain a clear advantage for Republican candidates, reflecting the party's control of both the Texas House and Senate. The redistricting adjusts boundaries across North and Central Texas with changes that impact suburban and urban areas where population demographics shifts have been significant in recent years. Democrats and voting rights groups have voiced concerns about the maps, arguing that they may dilute the voting influence of minority communities, particularly Hispanic voters in South and Central Texas. They say the changes could make it more difficult for these communities to elect representatives who reflect their interests. Republican leaders, however, defend the maps as a standard part of the redistricting process that account for population changes identified in 2020 census. They argue that the adjustments are necessary to ensure balances representations across the state and to comply with legal requirements for congressional districts. Legal experts note that Texas has faced challenges in past redistricting cycles, with the court stepping in to adjust maps to ensure compliance with the Voting Rights Act. Democrats have indicated that they may pursue litigations to contest the new maps, setting the stage for potential court decisions before the 2024 primary elections. The outcome of these new districts is likely to have a significant impact on 2024 U.S. House areas and races. Analysts say the changes could affect strategies, voter outreach, and fundraising for both Republican and Democratic candidates in key competitive areas. As the process unfolds, all eyes will remain on Texas, where redistricting continues to be a critical factor in shaping not only state politics but also the broader national political landscape. This was Talk Point. Stay with us for continued coverage of US elections, political developments, and the latest update of redistricting and its implication for voters.